Now I'm going to take half of the deck, half, and a half I'm going to spread on the table, all mixed up. Okay? Half, I make a fan. Oh, a little fan, right? Now I want you to take one card that you like here, any card. I knew you was going to take that card. Not funny?
You knew you had to take this card?
Yes, I knew. But don't smile anyway. Do you remember the card? Show to the camera. Okay? Now, I'm going to put the card inside the fan. I can look at the card. It doesn't mean anything. You follow this card to where it goes, right? Okay, now. No, the card is still here. Don't worry about anything. So, first, inside here. Now you know where is the card.
Somewhere in there.
There?
Yeah.
That's the only place it can be. Can't be another place. Can't be here.
No.
The cut is on the top here. On the top, not on the bottom. If you're on any doubt, you just take a look, put it back. All in the top. The one on the top, you just look. Is there? Look at this one here. The cut is here, but it's on the top. Take a look. There's another one on the top. Is this on the top? Do I have to tell you, look, all the one on the top, not on the bottom. It's not there, right?
Nope.
Did you see it? No? You remember the card. You want to see the card again. If the card is not, he got to be there, right? Watch, let me do a little different. Watch. What's the name of this trick here?
The helicopter card.
The helicopter. Look, look, see? Right here.
There?
Yeah, it's there. I told you, look. You don't look. No. Look, I'll do it again. Okay. Remember, the cards are going to be here. Take another one, anyone. It's funny. Okay? Show the camera. Okay? Now I'm going to put them all the way in now. Watch very close now. Yeah. Now you know the card where it could be about. About.
Just about, you know.
Where? You're not here?
Not here, no.
He's there. He's there. Take a look. All on the top.
I've already shown that I can't look very well.
You saw all over on the top? Did you see that one? I mean, this one here. What's the name of the trick?
The helicopter card.
Look, look, look. Take a look. I'll do once more. This time I'll do really slow. The cut is going to be here. Okay? Now take another one, anyone. So the camera, okay? Now this time you won't believe how slow I'm going to do now. Look. Watch. Now you know the card where it could be about. Where?
It's in your hand.
It's of course in your head, but it's not here.
No.
All right, let me do this one. Now you can look anyone on the top here. Anyone, doesn't make any difference. You forgot the card.
No.
You forgot the card. Did you see this?
They know. There's a couple here.
So, it's one you can see. So just look at this one you
See.
What is? No? What's the name of this trick?
I can't stand it. The helicopter card.
Look, look, take a look. What's the matter with you? What happened?
Thank you.